Hey everyone, get ready for a recipe that's about to become your new go-to. We're making incredibly delicious cheesy quinoa rice balls today. They're perfect for snacks, appetizers, or even a light meal. These little bites are vegetarian-friendly, super easy to make, and packed with flavor. You'll love how simple they are to whip up, even on a busy weeknight. Let's dive in. For this recipe, you'll need cooked quinoa, cooked rice, and plenty of shredded cheese. We're also adding some breadcrumbs, an egg to bind everything, and your favorite seasonings. Think garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper. First, combine your cooked quinoa, rice, cheese, breadcrumbs, egg, and seasonings in a large bowl. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. This is where the magic starts. Next, roll the mixture into small bite-sized balls. You can make them as big or as small as you like. For an extra crispy exterior, you can roll them in more breadcrumbs. Now you have a couple of options for cooking. You can bake them until golden brown and crispy, or pan fry them for a quicker finish. Both methods yield fantastic results. Serve these warm with your favorite dipping sauce. Marinara, a creamy garlic aioli, or even a simple ketchup works wonderfully. They're a guaranteed crowd pleaser for all ages. These cheesy quinoa rice balls are a fantastic way to use up leftover grains and create something truly special. Give them a try tonight and watch them disappear. Happy cooking!